guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a birthday glam get ready with me. So today is my birthday and I got ready and I filmed it. But yeah, I'm super excited. I turned 28 today. I'm getting there, you guys, getting to the 30s. But yes, so I figured I would do a birthday glam get ready with me. I don't think I've ever done one of these on my channel. If I did, it was eons ago and I totally forgot. But I'm super excited. This is the look I came up with and I can't wait to share with you guys. So I'm just gonna quickly dive right into it. Before we do though, I just wanted to quickly mention that if you enjoy the video, to give it a thumbs up at the end and to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you miss any of my uploads. But yeah, with that, let's just dive into my birthday glam get ready with me. You guys, I did already moisturize and put my eye cream on. I used the Ren Clean Skin Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream, and then because we're gonna be outside, and then I used the Derma E Firming DMAE Eye Lift. So that's what I've been using. Those are like what's sitting at my desk. And for primer, I'm gonna be starting out with the No Problem Smooth and Pore Covering Top Secret Perfector for makeup. I don't know, like, how it is with pores though, to be honest. Like, it keeps my makeup on really well, but I mean, I guess it does pretty good with pores. I just, to be honest, I probably haven't paid close enough attention to know, but why is it, do you ever just get random stuff on your hand and you don't know where it comes from? Like, I literally just got out of the shower and I have no idea where that came from, but whatever. So I am going to do a small layer of the Ultra HD Makeup Forever Skin Perfector. Now the reason I'm doing it, and I'm doing a very thin layer, the reason I'm doing this is it has SPF in it. And I need all the SPF I can get today. So I'm going to just bounce some of this into my skin. Where did my sponge go? Here it is. I'm just placing some of this on my skin for the sun protection. This is not going to give me coverage. I'm just kind of using it essentially as like my SPF. I'm doing a very thin layer so that it doesn't disturb the foundation. Right, now let's go with some foundation. This is, thank God, tan enough for me right now. I'm struggling finding foundations recently in my collection just because I'm getting such, oh God, that's so full coverage. I'm getting such a tan, but I don't want to go to buy a new one yet because I'm just going to get tanner, you know what I'm saying? Or I could, I guess, get two shades, like a darker one and the one that matches me right then. And then like mix them or whatever, but I'll go on full coverage today because we are literally gonna be out all day long and it's my birthday, so I want to look put together and I want to look exactly how I want. All right, so now I need to go on with some concealer. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Line, boop, and then a little bit. For baking and setting, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to go pick up another one today because I absolutely need a new one. This is almost gone. I actually need to get one shade darker as well. This is fair light. I just need to get the light one. I'm really going to set the areas that disappear the quickest on me. I'm gonna go through and just sweep up any extra powders under my eyes. So for my brows, again, in the heat, I'm gonna be taking the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow because it is waterproof and super dope. I love this stuff. To carve my brows and prime for eyeshadow, I will be taking the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer and Base. I love this stuff, you guys. It is incredible. And because it has pigment to it, I can also use it in lieu of a concealer to carve my brows out. Alright guys, so we are moving on to eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of translucent powder and I am just going to place it right there. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be going straight in to the shade Golden Ochre. So I'm going to be going into the shade Raw Sienna right here, and I'm going to be popping that right over top. And I'm going to really lift my eyebrows because I don't want to bring this up too high. By the way, I'm using the Unique blending brush to do this. I love this one. I'm still using that same brush. I'm going into Antique Bronze, which is actually a satin, but I'm going to be using it with a fluffy brush as well. I'm going to be packing this on to the outer and inner part of my lid. For the inner part of my lid, I actually need to move to a smaller brush, just so I'm not making a mess. And then I'm going to lift and bring it slightly up to connect that, but I'm going to keep the center of my lid blank. I'll be taking my finger and we'll be going into the shade Vermeer. I'm just going to tap this right here on the center of my lid and then blend it upwards with my finger without really adding too much. Taking this tinier brush from Morphe Dip M506 back in Antique Bronze and kind of like blending those together like that. Just sweep off all this bake. And kind of like go over my lid a little bit. Alright, so we are moving back onto the cheeks. Let's bring a little bit of this contour bronze back. I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Tantastic. Yeah, Tantastic bronzer. I think it's like the Omega bronzer or whatever. Yeah, Omega Bronze. And I'm just going to start warming up my cheek area. And because I had done that bake, I can be as like sloppy as I want. And it's not going to transfer down there. Taking the Morphe E62, I'm going to be picking up the same bronzer and bringing it down on my nose to chisel that out a little bit. For blush, I'm going to be taking a NARS Outlaw and I'm going to be plopping that on my cheeks. I like to bring it a little bit in and never be afraid to go in with a lot of blush because blush is the first thing to disappear when your makeup is coming off throughout the day. Blush goes first. So don't be afraid to go to town and really warm up those cheeks. I'm moving back on to the lower lashes and I'm really just going to mimic what is up here to down here. So I'm going to be picking up Antique Bronze on a pencil brush and I'm just going to drag that down here and then there. Up Vermeer right there, right there. The Cypress Umber, which is the dark brown. Small brush, clean, and just kind of like blend those together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some highlighter. I'm using the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 from Juvia's Place. And I will be taking the Morphe M501. It's so pretty. Love the highlighters from them. Oh, God. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and then I will be right back. I'm gonna be taking the MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. I'm gonna be taking Kylie Cosmetics lip kit in the shade Kristen. Okay, so to finish off this look, I'm going ahead and popping on some natural lashes. These are Page Boy by Kiss. I'm gonna pop these on and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that is it for my birthday look. I love it. It's gonna go perfect with my outfit. This is not my outfit, I'm wearing a robe right now. I have to get dressed, but I first have to go finish blow drying my hair. But yeah, I really love what I decided to go with. It's definitely gonna go with what I'm wearing today. I will be posting a picture of my outfit probably a little later. Maybe I'll put it up in the thumbnail so you guys can see it. But it's my birthday glam. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me while I get ready for my birthday. That is everything. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you miss any of my uploads. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I love seeing you guys in the comments, chatting with you guys, everything. So make sure you say hey in the comments so we can start chatting. But yeah, that's everything. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.